Hello pool players, Ron here. Welcome once again to the Pool Student channel and thank you very much for watching, everyone. Today's video might be the best video that I've ever put out that's going to really help everyone that's watching. If you're struggling with your consistency in your shot making, there's probably a very good reason for it, and today I'm going to cover that. I call it the 3 S's to success. They are stroke, stance, and staying still. Without further ado, let's get into it. Unless you're someone special like a Keith McCready, you're going to have to really nail down these 3 key fundamentals. Here, I want to show you what my stroke looks like and what it took to get me here. When I began working on my pool game 711 days ago, one of the things I picked up on YouTube was this exercise right here. Shooting down a cushion right next to where it meets the wood, and we can use that as a reference line to indicate that we're stroking straight. You should try to be very precise here, and I will say this, early on when I began doing this, I realized my grip pressure had everything to do with keeping it straight. A great way to work on your grip pressure is to shoot into a bottle. When I first heard about this, I really thought this wouldn't work for me, but man was I wrong. This one method of practice made all the difference for me. I was able to stroke straight down the cushion as well as into this bottle, all due to maintaining loose grip pressure. Now I'd like to show you what my grip pressure actually looks like. Here I'm just holding the cue with really just a couple of fingers. I'm also going to show you that we don't want to grip. Like right there, we do not want to grip tight. We must always maintain a loose grip. Some players will even use only the thumb and 1 finger. I use 2 fingers in my thumb. Now that I have demonstrated how to achieve a straight and true stroke, it's time to find our vision center. Notice here that I've lined up 5 pool balls along the center line of the table. I will push my chin against the far end rail. Notice here that I'm moving my head from side to side. Now it's key that we keep both eyes open here. And what I'm trying to do is I'm envisioning each side of the balls at the same time and trying to match them up. Once I do that, I mark the spot on the end rail in relationship to the center diamond. And in this case, the right edge of the bridge of my nose is my vision center. Now that vision center is established, it's now time to take a look at our stance. Notice here that I'm looking down the shot line on this corner pocket shot, basically a spot shot on this 4 ball, and I'm stepping down into the shot line. Well, if I don't feel that I'm on line, I'll stand right back up, and that's very important. Don't just adjust while you're down, but stand right back up and go through the whole routine and then get back down and shoot the shot in. Notice here from the side, I'm standing behind the shot line, looking down the shot line. I don't feel it, so I stand back up. It's very important. Step way back, take another look, then step back into the shot line and then make the shot. Now let's discuss the shot line and our stance. Notice here I have blue tape on the floor, and what I'm doing here is my cue is lined straight with that tape, and that is the shot line. Now you'll also notice here from the side that I will step short of the shot line with my right foot, and then I stroke down the shot line. I want to say here that it's imperative that we stay short of this shot line with our right foot. The reason for this is that it allows our body to not be in the way of our stroke. Here is a better look at our arm action as we make the shot. Note that my body is not in the way. Now that we have our stroke and our stance nailed down, this is the time that we shoot shots and work on staying still. Many players suffer from jumping up, which causes misses. I hope this video was helpful to many. If you guys have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. Thank you everyone for watching, and once again, like I always say, keep on practicing.